Hey, how's it going? Welcome to the channel. This is going to be a review slash a walking tour of 24 hours we spent at the Ritz Carlton in Maui in Hawaii. So this was shot on October 1st and 2nd in 2024, just for a frame of reference if you need it. So I booked this one night using my 85,000 Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant yearly points you get for a quote-unquote free night reward. And this will just show you one possibility you can do with that 85,000 points to get a pretty nice stay. At least I think it was. Alright, so this is just showing you on Marriott's website what an average stay costs, which is 72,000 points for a standard room. Now at the time I booked, that night cost 90,000 points. So what I had to do is spend my 85,000 annual Marriott points, and then you can add up to 15,000 more. So I just had to add some more points to it so I could get that free night. So as you can see, here's our actual stay, and we were actually upgraded to a residential suite, and that's because I had platinum status, which is what you get with that annual fee, which you could get upgrades, but it's not always guaranteed. So your mileage may vary, as they say. And here is that annual fee, $650 every year. Yikes. So you do get $25 every month in a dining credit, which I'm sure most of you can use. So that's $300 right there, taken off the annual fee. And everything counts, restaurants, cafes, it doesn't matter what it is. So you could get like 2 meals at Carl's Jr. a month, and that's going to cover for 12 months $300. So now you just need to figure out if $350 is worth the annual fee now. And you see you get that 85,000 annual points every year to use towards a room. Now as you've seen, that night at the Ritz was almost $1,000 just for the standard room. So I booked it with 85,000 points plus an extra 5,000 because it was 90,000 at the time. Plus we got upgraded, and if you look, that suite was even more. So if you're willing to pay $350 a night to stay at the Ritz at one of the suites, then it's worth it. Plus, with platinum status, you also get 4 p.m. late checkout. So to me, that makes all of this worth it every year for that annual fee. But like I said, you need to check in, make sure that it works for you. Alright, on to the property. Let's go check out the room. Alright, so I apologize, I did kind of walk through this a little fast. We had just gotten there, we were trying to get to dinner. It was getting really late. So you can see full kitchen, it has a toaster, sink, little cooktop. So it has a sub-zero fridge with a freezer inside, an espresso machine, microwave oven, everything you need for the night. This leads out to the pool deck. It's open 24/7, they say. Alright, we're starving. We're going to go get some food. I think right there. Alright, so this bed was freaking comfortable. One of the best sleeps I ever had. These waters that I'm showing you right here, there's 4 in this room, probably 2 in a standard room, and they are totally complimentary. Vanity, tub, shower, robe, closet, go in there, safe, another robe. I was having trouble trying to find out how to get those lamps to turn on, but I finally did figure it out. But yeah, killer room, absolutely comfortable, amazing. I'll show more of it tomorrow when the light's out. So these were complimentary at the front desk when you check in. And they also give you a like a fruit beverage to have, which was delicious. So very cool. Just welcoming you to Hawaii. Super thoughtful. What a great time we're about to have. Yep, it's expensive to eat out here, folks. Just to warn you. My advice to you is what I should have done. We got some provisions at that little store, but we should have got more. We should have probably just got something to eat there. They do have hot food there too, but we splurged one night, got the Wagyu burger, got the shrimp tempura roll, and the 4 drinks. $145 with tip and tax. So just letting you know. All right, later. Beautiful weather. L goes to the lobby. Figured that out. Duh. Even though it's way up here, it's like the 7th floor. So Banyan Tree and the pool are out this way. It says the beach is out this way. I haven't been out there yet, so I don't know. Alright, so it is 6:40 in the morning, Hawaii time. Some of the birds out right now. Said it is 71 degrees currently, but it feels very warm. It's going to be a high of 80 today. Feels incredible out here. It's so nice. I know, it's my first time to Hawaii. What did I expect? Alright, let's go check out these pool complexes. I believe there's 4 pools. We were out here last night. Again, we got in like really late, so barely had time to eat. We ate at the lounge area. This is probably the main pool. It's probably the biggest one. It's huge. Has a waterfall in the middle. It's a smaller pool. This might be an adults only, not sure. Adults only spa. Is there one? Yep, there's one on the other side over there too. So Banyan Tree and the beach are down that way. That's what it says again. I do see the ocean from here. So again, 6:30 in the morning, Maui time. So that puts it 9:30 Sacramento time where I'm from. And when we came in last night, the only thing that was basically open was the lounge for dinner. So keep that in mind. We are here on a Tuesday, so the Banyan Tree was closed for a restaurant, and it was too late. Got in around 7 p.m. and everything's basically closing by then. The local store, which is just outside the resort, that was closing at 7 o'clock as well, so keep that in mind. If you want to get some beverages and stuff and snacks, you definitely want to go there. I bought some IPAs and some seltzers. They were $25 a piece for a 12-pack, as opposed to here you're going to pay like $20 for an Aperol Spritz and $10 for a beer. So, something to keep in mind. So this pool right here is barely a foot deep, so probably more for little kids. Here's a seating place with a fire pit. Many cabanas. Some of them just day beds. Others come with televisions, refrigerators. Okay, here's the Banyan Tree restaurant. Today is Wednesday, it is open. Just a reminder, it is closed on Mondays and Tuesdays. While here on the grounds back here, take a look around. Okay, down here is the beach, Burger Shack, Coastal Trail. Alright, so when you come to the end of this path, you're going to hit this statue right here. If you go left and then take a right, that's going to take you down to the dragon teeth. And then if you come back here and you go to the right and then down to the left, that goes to the Burger Shack and the beach area. We're going to go check out both. Let's roll. So I took a left, and this is where the property ends, right out here. There's a map of the resort. Appears to be a trail down here. Maybe, possibly. We'll see. Maybe not. Looks like the end of a parking lot. Alright, this is the access to the beach. No overnight parking. Okay, anything beyond this fence line is prohibited. This is a preservation site right here. Okay, I do believe this trail leads out to the Dragon Teeth, which is out that way. Doesn't seem like too bad of a hike. Okay, and here's that bottom edge of the preservation site. Big old snail here. Nice, cool little shell. Alright, trail's getting pretty dense up in here. Again, still the preservation site, so don't go down there. Alright, here's where the trail's about to open up here. Alright, so we made it down to the Dragon's Teeth. It's absolutely beautiful out here. I think I see a beach way out there. Might be on the other side of the property. So let's go find out. Again, looking back up towards the Ritz here. Millipede cruising around. Alright, so I probably could have just came down from there from my room. And splitting left, follow that by the golf trail. That's going to take you to the Dragon Teeth. Down here, it's going to take you to the, looks like they got either pickleball or tennis court, or both. And I believe the Burger Shack's down here as well as the beach. So let's head down there. See what we got here, some kind of hall. Okay, this place is open every day from 11 to 3. Shakes and sweets and more. That stuff looks amazing. I have to come back for that. Not sure what time the towel station opens, but here's the beach. Right, so it's 7:22 in the morning out here, Maui time. Beautiful empty beach right now. Cheers, everybody. It's all your paddles, rackets, basketballs, tennis balls. There's the basketball courts up there. So these blackout curtains are amazing. Zero light got in. Let's take a look outside, shall we? AKA the 7th floor. Free water stations everywhere. Fitness center. Lots of good machines in there. Pelotons and stuff. Thank you. Back and get me one of these. Got rash guards in here. Those are nice. $50. These are $45.
Anything I can help you find,
Oh no.
sir?
Those the Maui shirts up there, are they special for like fundraisers or anything?
Oh yes, part of the proceeds do go towards the Maui community, and it has our Ritz Carlton logo
I
on
see
the
that.
sleeve too.
That's what I'm gonna get. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day, sir.
You too. Thank you. So that's cool. Some of the proceeds do go to the victims. Okay, let's walk around the Banyan Tree. Absolutely gorgeous grounds this hotel has. It's incredible. And just right up the trail right there is a convenience store. They have way more stuff in there if you want to get your provisions. Just head right off the property. Just a few minute walk. But remember, they do close at 7. Which we found out last night. We had to run over there because it was pretty close to that. Just such a sweeping entrance when you come in here right to the lobby bar here. So we did valet when we came in yesterday night, late in the evening. I believe it's only valet here. So let's head out to the Banyan Tree. Gorgeous front entrance. So shout out to that YouTuber. I forgot her channel. I'll try to find it, but I would have never come out and looked at this if I didn't know. But here's the koi pond. Beautiful koi fishes out here. And there's the banyan tree. Freaking amazing looking. Oh. What up, pigeon? Where you at? There you go. Look at that little bird. That dude's all up in the ice cream. Oh, this one's like right at my feet. Little birdie, what's happening? Oh, this one's going in.
So you have got a lot.
Only one guy went for the ice cream. Pigeon, 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 pigeon. Hey, pigeon. All right, so that's going to do it for our 24-hour at the Ritz in Maui, Hawaii. And I want to say it's totally worth the price. So if you're looking at that $650 annual fee for the Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant, this is one way to make it super easy to stomach that fee. You're going to get $300 broken up into $25 every month in a dining credit. Super easy to use. Then you only have $350 to make up after that. To me, if you use it at a property like the Ritz or somewhere else that's super expensive, like I said, this place is almost $1,000 a night as a standard room, and then you're only going to be paying $350 remaining of the annual fee, plus $40 in a resort fee, and plus $65 for the valet parking. So that's under $500 for the night. I think it's worth it just to enjoy this property. I would never be able to afford the Ritz any other time. So I don't know. Hope that helps. Hit me up with any questions or comments you have. All right, so also I forgot to add, you also get that late checkout at 4 p.m., which is totally worth it when you have platinum status, and that's also how you get the room upgrade. Anyways, I'm not a credit card channel, so go look up Luke's Points and Miles or ask Sebi for something like that. But get ready for my next video. It's going to be 5 days down in Lower Maui, where we go to a metal festival and finish out the week out here in Hawaii. All right. Cheers. Later.